Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah with MarineMax in Sarasota, Florida, and we are standing on board our very first 2026 Boston Whaler 285 Conquest. Guys, this is the smallest in the Outboard Express lineup, and this is a top option. At the rear of the boat, you've got Mercury 250s. These have the new gen electric actuators. Those are awesome joystick motors. Of course, these 285s have a rear bench. They have a live well in the corner, bolsters throughout, and you don't have to see it, but behind the camera, this boat has the fold-out option underneath the gunnel for the rear seating. You've got a small wet bar here behind the helm, sink, cup holders, and refrigerator, storage, and footrests for the seat, because this seat is capable of moving back and forth. This seat can slide, give you a spot if you want to stay back, watch the spread. This is cool. This boat has a black frame, factory optioned, real nice little, gives it kind of a sporty look, kind of makes that frame disappear, and of course that rear sunshade. It is crank out on these 285s. Awesome to have. At the helm, you've got a big 16-inch screen from Simrad. Of course, you have the joystick we were talking about. This is a trim tab boat. This is a premium audio boat with big JL stereo in it. A lot of fun. And a huge chunk of the reason you're buying these boats is for this cabin. A 285 has a fantastic cabin for up to 4 with a stand-up head, an additional galley down below, microwave, refrigerator, etc. This is the very first 2026 that we have in MarineMax Sarasota. Give us a shout, and we'll walk you through it.